Yeah, well,
What's made about the cattle business? You may not know this, but if it wasn't for me, Lou may never have gone after you, dear boy. But I told her not to have any regrets. I never want to consider how much I regret telling her that now. You know why? Why? Because of the way you're acting over this election. Who cares if she didn't tell you first? I was the last person to talk to. I didn't know she was running. But guess what? She's not running anymore. Which is a shame because she would have made a great match. But what do you say, then? Whatever you wanted. But that's not what I wanted. Well, maybe it's not too late for you to try to make it wrong. That is, if you can get over yourself first.
You know, I've been across these fields so many times I've lost track. He's just always been so strong. It was easy to take for granted he'd be like that forever. He thinks he was up for this. I don't know, I'm tired of talking about that, but never gonna be like he was. I think I've known that for a while, and I just didn't want to do that. I'm sorry I tried to make you buy Atlas. Such an idea. No, Georgie. It's fine, we're good. We'll do that. And I know, it's just, I haven't been 100% honest with you, and half the reason I wanted to help you friend so bad was when you were distraction. I'm not cold. Well, I was stalking him probably doesn't help. I don't know. I did social media. Now I know that he's in Kelowna at a work show. This one town is open. When he's far away, telling me to leave makes sense, but the poster is more nothing makes sense. Well, maybe you shouldn't worry about what makes sense. You're young enough to make a few mistakes and take some risks, and I feel good. Something a little off course. Yeah, I noticed that. That's the one that I was going to talk with your son.
So I had a very interesting conversation with your father. He said that he was the one that convinced you to come talk to me on the way. He said something about you not having any regrets. Maybe I gotta tell you the same thing. You can't drop out of this election. Yes, if you let JD work away by acclamation, it's gonna haunt you for the rest of your life. I figured you'd be relieved. So you can. Listen, I didn't fall in love with you because you're somebody who sits on the sidelines and waits for somebody else to speak up. I fell in love with you because you're the one that speaks up. Because you jump in with both feet.
You didn't seem to appreciate my 2-footed jump into politics yesterday.
That's true. That's true. But that's only because I was hurt because I wasn't part of your decision. Now, I'm very excited to celebrate when you win that election.
I am.
Yeah. In fact, I think we should go out. I'm going to buy a bottle of champagne that we can drink on the election night.
It's sweet. But you might just want to save your money. Because even if I did jump back into the race, JD is still ahead in the polls, but if I'm being truthful, I really want I would be a great mayor.
I know. I know he's pretty great mayor. Hey, Lou?
Hey.
Sorry to interrupt.
No.
Listen, I was just talking to Bob from the Wildlife Preserve, and he was telling me his theory of why there's been so many reports of increased wildlife in the area.
Okay.
So you know that huge housing development being built on the west side of Gibson Creek?
Yeah, I've seen the ads in the paper. Huge Mountain View lots, too much money.
Right, but what they're not saying in the ad is it's being built on a major wildlife corridor. So when they started construction, all the pine animals fled. That's why we're seeing wolves and cougars wandering in people's backyards. Guess who's behind the building of this housing development? Exactly.
I do think that, Bob would be willing to talk to the press about this.
I'm sure he'd be more than happy to.
Okay, I'm gonna pass on to you, contact the heads of Times. Can you share it with me?
No problem.
Thanks. You know what, on second thought, maybe you should buy that bottle of champagne. Hello, JD.
You, kind of willing to drop out of the race.
You should know better than to believe rumors. I prefer to stick to facts. Like, the ones in this article about your housing development.
I already read the article. Frankly, there's not a word of truth in it. Everything more fictitious than that article is your chances of becoming mayor.
How many brides does it take to get houses built on a wildlife corridor?
You say that one more time, I'll swing you so fast you won't know what hit you.
I don't have to say it. Everyone's already thinking it. So you can try to intimidate me and my family all you want. I'm not scared of you anymore. So come election day, your name will be on that ballot. Count on me. Thanks for your help, Georgie.
No problem. That was easy. The hard part will be done for him.
Yeah, that's true. But the way he connected with Spartan yesterday, I know this sounds crazy, but it's almost like Spartan's giving me his approval.
What makes you so sure this horse will be a better fit than Atlas?
I don't know. Atlas is a pretty perfect horse, but I don't think I'm looking for the perfect horse. I think I'm looking for the right horse.
How do you know if he's the right one?
Just a feeling. When someone feels right, you have to at least try.
Help me! Now.
Now that we're done, how about our game of chess?
Definitely.
Alright.
Wow. Good chess set. Is it new?
It is. And it's yours. It's a gift from all of us.
Thank you so much. I love it. But half the pawns are missing.
No, they're not.
Thank you.
I've got one right here. Luke, always take care of the ones you love.
And wherever you go, you take a piece of this place with you. Keep it close to your heart, okay? Don't be afraid to take a risk every now and then. Even if it scares you half to death.
I'm totally moving up to the left once you leave. I'm really gonna miss you.
Luke, try to let Jack win a couple games. It's good for his ego.
If your mom is your family and now so are we. And families always stay together, no matter how far away they are.
Your life may change a lot, but you're always welcome here.
It's true. So you come visit us, okay? And remember to breathe.
Thank you so much. I love it. It's perfect.
So we're gonna play or what?
Yeah, it's fun.
All right. And don't you dare let me win. Hey, I don't believe this.
What?
Well, ever since that article came out, there's been a serious uptick in the number of volunteers.
All this really information.
I don't believe it, honey. Have I seen something?
Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Wow. Worth and I have very different visions for this town. He wants to build big houses and big box stores, and I know for a fact he wants to change the face of our beloved Main Street. He calls it progress. But progress for who? For a handful of wealthy people who want to buy summer homes with a view that's already cost countless wildlife their natural habitat. Is that the town we really want to live in? For me, Hudson has always been a hopeful place. It's a place that welcomes everyone to the dinner table. So I say that we fight to protect that. We fight to keep it that way. Because in Hudson, we're family.
Are you sure you have everything on?
But you come visit us anytime you want, okay?
I will. I promise.
You need a ride or anything, you let me know.
Hey, I. Hi, Lindy. Oh, I almost forgot. Jack helped me make this for you, but you can't open it here. You have to open it at the new house, okay?
Okay. Thanks, Luke.